Now, severe weather coverage with Austin Daigle.
Good evening, y'all. You're taking a look from our Viper Doppler radar. We got a severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Sequoia County, the central Oklahoma, southern Adair County, and southeastern Cherokee County. It's until 7:30 p.m. As you can see, we got a line of severe thunderstorms that looks to be moving our way. Here's the outflow boundary of that. That's going to be heading to Fort Smith area in probably in the next 30 minutes or so. Probably Levack in probably the next 45 minutes. In Greenwood, probably the next 45 minutes. In Charleston, probably the next hour. Now, in this is mixed now beyond this outflow boundary, which has probably around 40-mile-per-hour winds, embedded in all this heavy rain, there's around 60 to 65-mile-per-hour winds. Now, the strongest of these storms I've seen are probably near Stony Point. That's your Stony Point's about to get hammered. So this is going to be going through central Crawford County. So the areas the strongest storm should affect will be Long, Remy, Roland, Bellefonte, Rena, Cedarville, Natural Dam, Van Buren, possibly Fort Smith, Kibler, Alma, Rudy, Dyer, Mulberry, Kibler, possibly Lavaca, and Cedarville, Cecil, and Mountainburg, and possibly Chester. So as you can see, these storms looks like they're moving way fast. They're moving way fast. So this is what we've been seeing. So if we can put radar into loop, this is what's been going on over the last few hours. As you see, this line of showers and thunderstorms is about to make its way to our area. But over the next few hours, do expect some strong to severe storms in our area. Main hazards will be just wind, heavy rain, frequent lightning. There may be some small hail mixed in with that, but I'm thinking it's mainly just going to be some damaging winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rain. So do be alert on that. And you see mixed in, this is in Marble City right now. Marble City, you're getting very good winds right now. Near Brushy and Stony Point, near around 60-mile-per-hour winds. Now it looks like there is an area near Westville that looks like some rotation starting to form. So if we look at this, let's look at this real quick and see what's going on. It looks like some rotation is starting to form. Nothing too major. Yeah, nothing too major at the moment. We're gonna keep an eye. We'll keep an eye on it. But it looks like to be getting stronger too. But for right now, this is until 7:30, and you can see these storms are definitely marching their way towards the River Valley, the greater Fort Smith area, and Van Buren, including Kibler, Alma, Mountainburg, Barling, Lavaca, Greenwood, Charleston, Mulberry, Natural Dam, Cedarville. All these areas should be getting affected by some storms in the next 30 minutes to an hour or so. That's a severe weather update. I'm Austin Daigle from the LHS Weather Team. Again, we're going to be keeping an eye on these storms for y'all. Looks like some stronger rotation down there near. Cause let's stay on the air for just a little bit, and well, yeah. Okay, so all right. So we're gonna keep this up the air. We're gonna go off the air, but we're gonna keep radar up for y'all to let you know what's going on. I'm Austin Daigle from the LHS Weather Team. We're gonna keep radar up for just a little bit, and we will get back to you in just a little bit. Alright, so this has about, I'm going to core near Atkins, nearly about 50-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, embedded in this is probably around 60, 65. Stony Point's getting it right now. That rotation looks to be weakening off, as I've seen. And so that's just heading to West Piven, around 40-mile-an-hour, no, 50-mile-an-hour winds. Nearly 70-mile-an-hour winds near Stony Point. In front of this line has probably around 40-mile-an-hour winds. It'll be out to be heading in the Fort Smith area in probably the next 15 minutes. Probably barreling the next 20 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, let's radar loop this. So that's what's going on. As you can see, more storms are developing on it, so we will keep an eye on it, and we'll keep you posted. Lost Nail from the LH Sweater Team. Have a good night, everyone.